guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77 RC. Hey, when we return, I'm going to go and install the Dumbo RC controller. It's the X6, and we're going to put it in this guy, the Zombie 8E, so stay tuned for that. Hey, welcome back guys, Donnie here, and thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to go and install this Dumbo RC here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in that Zombie 1/8 scale brushless truck there. I was having problems with the Zombie. It was hesitating. Every time I tried to pull the trigger, I thought it was the ESC, but it's not the ESC. So we're going to take that controller and receiver out of this Zombie. Install this one here. I went ahead and ordered 2 more of these receivers so that way I can narrow down some more of my trucks and cars to one controller, you guys. Since we're down with that home quarantine right now, I figured I could do some indoor stuff while I'm sitting around here. And this receiver right here is the X6. This is the FG. So this one actually has the gyro in it, you guys. So I'm going to test that out. Should be able to adjust the gyro, I believe, on the side here. Over here, it might be one of these up here. We'll have to look at the instructions. I haven't looked at it yet, so. But this thing's supposed to get a 500-meter range, so we're going to have to test that out. At least go out in the driveway out there and do a quick test just to make sure everything's working. So, all right, let's go ahead and start installing this, and we'll get right to it, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, so apologize about the lighting. It's not super great in here. I'm in my room, actually. I'm going to go ahead and take the canopy off here, set this off to the side here, and I'm going to go ahead and start by opening this up here. Take these pins out. This thing is filthy. I need to clean this thing sometime, you guys. I bashed it last time and parked it, didn't even clean it. So, alright, let's go ahead and pull this plastic little antenna holder there. Alright, so go ahead and pop this guy out here. Alright, so you can see the original here. So I'm just going to go and should be able to just swap straight over, you guys. So we'll find out here. I'm going to look there, and there's throttle and then steering. So I'm going to take a look really quick at the directions. And just to make sure, you know, I think you can connect it to any channel on here, but I just want to double check here and take a look. So let me pause you real quick and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the battery in here. I went ahead and put the steering up on channel 1, and then I went and put the throttle on number 2 channel here. Gonna turn it on and see if this thing binds. I do suggest, if you got a rack at home, take the wheels off, put it on the rack. That way you can keep it stable. But for now, I'm going to have to actually hold it up just in case I fire this thing up and it starts full throttling on me or something, you know. That way I can kill it really quick here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Dumbo controller here. Let's go ahead and plug this guy in. It's a 4S battery, guys. So my other batteries had no charge on them. I'm gonna have to charge them up, but I'm gonna see if this guy comes on. So let me go ahead and lift it up out of my hand here. All right, looks like it bound. All right, we have steering. All right, that's good. Now the test is throttle, so I want to make sure I hold on to this nice and tight. Give it a little bit of throttle here. Let's see if it goes. Yep, there it goes. All right, hesitated for a second. Yeah, it's still getting some hesitation. So I don't know if it's my ESC doing that. I was having that problem with the other, even when I had the other receiver on there. But we'll have to test it out outside, but it seems to be working. All right, I'm just barely touching it. So far it's seems to be working good now. All of a sudden just stopped, so it's working. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do, let me shut this back off for a second here. Set this guy down. Now that I know it's not gonna take off on me right here, I'm going to set this receiver for the gyro, so that way I could turn the gyro on, and then when the gyro's on, I'll be able to adjust the sensitivity right here. So that way when the gyro's working, it'll help control those front wheels so you're not oversteering when you're handling corners, because a lot of times people will go and turn too sharp in the corners and then they'll flip it. This will kind of help you ease into the corners depending on the sensitivity that you put on for the gyros. So let me go ahead and find something to be able to press this little button in here. Got to press it 3 times and it'll put it in gyro mode. So let me find something, guys. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, you guys. Was hoping that I had a little more lighting in here. I need to get some better lighting. Sorry if it's a little bit dark in here. I'll try to lighten it up in the post-production. So anyways, let's go ahead and turn this thing on. All right, I'm going to turn the controller on. I don't think I need the controller on, but I'm going to use a little Allen wrench here and press it once, twice, and 3 times. All right, guys, it flashed 3 times, so I'm going to go ahead and see if this is working. I have the gyro turned all the way down, you guys. All right, let me go ahead and turn it up a bit here. Okay, there you go. You can see in here that it's counter steering for you, okay? This is 100% here. All right, so I'm gonna turn it all the way down until I get out there and give this thing a test drive. All right, let me get the canopy on and let's go outside and give it a shot. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn this guy on. Oh, let's see what she does here, huh? All right, there we go, got steering. Let me straighten out that steering here. All right. Ooh, that 4S is, I still have to do a review on that 4S here. Let me fix the steering a little bit here. All right. All right, guys. That 4S is gonna get it. I'm gonna do a review on this 4S battery as well, you guys. I got last year, so all right. Ooh, that threw a rock up at me. Woo. Yeah, I still got plenty of control, you guys. Look at that. Whoa. Yep, braking's working good. Cookie cutters right now. Let's see how far I can go. Man, I went all the way over towards the end of the driveway, you guys. Nice. That was only half power there, you guys. Definitely gonna have to take it out to the grass field at the park and try that out. Let me turn up the gyro a little bit here. Let's go about 1/4 of a turn and see how that handles. Not too bad. I'm wearing out my tires here. There's my daughter coming. Oh, that's sure. Yeah, the gyro's working pretty good. You can see it's not. Whoa, there's a flip for you. That's why if you're gonna turn sharp like that, you want to have the gyro turned up even more. Watch out, sweetheart, this one's coming in hot. All right, I'm gonna go halfway with the gyro. Woo, caught the body there. Definitely gonna have to tighten everything down after this run. That 4S is gonna loosen everything up. Wow. But yeah, guys, so far the Dumbo, let me turn it all the way up 100% here. Yeah, see, it doesn't turn as sharp, see? It's catching that body somewhere. I'm gonna have to see where it's catching the body. So yeah, it gets a little funky when it's 100%. See, it kind of stays in one spot. Wow. I'm not gonna run the gyro that high. I think 50% is good. I don't want to run it anymore because I want to be out on the grass, because this thing is just too fast with that 4S battery in here. But I'm gonna do a review on the 4S battery soon, you guys, so stay tuned for that. We'll do a speed run with it with the 3S, and then put that 4S battery in there, so you can have a look at it. Like I already tore the front up here a little bit there, but that's fine. That's what it's for, man. This is my thrasher, guys. So all right, so far so good, you guys. The Dumbo receiver works excellent, man. I like it. I got another one coming. Matter of fact, I got 2 more coming for a couple more of my RC trucks, a couple of the brushless. So stay tuned for that as well. So definitely hit that subscribe and the notification so you can see what's coming up next on the channel, you guys. So thanks for watching. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy driving. Oh, that was rough. Yeah, but I don't want to. That doesn't. Oh, yeah. That was... Kick with the foot. Here we go. Yeah.